Greetings everyone, my name is Hiren Pawar and today I'll be showing you a prototype of my app. So this app is created from the world's most leading game engine Unity and an upcoming technology known as augmented reality or AR in short. So let us see the working of the app. Now after starting the app it will access your camera and now you have to scan plain surfaces like this. And after scanning the surface when you are satisfied you must tap anywhere on the screen. And there you go, you can see an entire solar system inside your house. And if you put the white dot which is in the center of the screen on any of the planet, you will be seeing information regarding that planet like this. For now, I have just put the radius in the information as this is in prototype. The final app would be having many more features and details regarding to the planet. So this was my prototype of the app. Thanks for watching.